Setting up your HyperX Cloud Flight Wireless headset is straightforward. We'll walk through the initial setup and pairing process step by step. Step 1. Connect the USB wireless dongle to an available USB port on your PC, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch dock. The dongle should fit snugly into any standard USB port. Step 2. Power on the headset by holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. The power button is located on the right ear cup of the headset. Step 3. The headset should automatically pair with the dongle within 10 to 15 seconds. You'll know pairing is successful when you see solid LED indicators on both the dongle and the headset. Step 4. If automatic pairing fails, you can manually pair the devices. Hold the power button on the powered-off headset for 10 seconds until the ear cup LEDs blink rapidly. Then use a small pin to press the button on the back of the USB adapter until its LED blinks rapidly. Pairing is complete when the USB adapter LED turns solid. Your HyperX Cloud Flight Wireless headset is now successfully paired and ready to use. The solid LED indicators confirm that the connection is established and stable. When your HyperX Cloud Flight Wireless encounters issues, these troubleshooting steps will help you resolve the most common problems quickly and effectively. If your headset won't pair automatically, the solution is manual pairing. First, ensure both your headset and USB adapter are in pairing mode simultaneously. For no sound issues, first check your volume levels, then verify that your headset is set as the default audio output device in Windows sound settings. Microphone problems are often caused by Windows privacy settings blocking app access. Check that your microphone isn't muted and that Windows allows apps to access your microphone. Some Cloud Flight models support HyperX Ingenuity software for advanced customization. This software allows you to adjust equalizer settings, monitor battery status, and customize lighting effects. If sound cuts out intermittently, your battery may be low. Always keep your headset fully charged. Additionally, maintain optimal performance by regularly updating your headset firmware through the HyperX support website. Remember these key troubleshooting steps: manual pairing for connection issues, checking Windows audio settings for sound problems, enabling microphone privacy access, keeping firmware updated, and maintaining battery charge for optimal performance.